Weather Service in Fort Worth has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Dallas County in north central Texas until 1 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 12:44 p.m. Central Daylight Time, severe thunderstorms are located over Plano, moving east at 50 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-sized hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage is likely expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Dallas, Fort Worth, Arlington, Plano, Garland, Rowlett, Euless, and DeSoto. A tornado watch remains in effect until 5 p.m. for north central Texas. For your protection, get inside of a sturdy structure and stay away from windows.
We interrupt programming at the request of the National Weather Service to activate the North Texas Emergency Alert System. The National Weather Service has issued severe thunderstorm warnings for northern Johnson, southeastern Parker, for all of Tarrant County, northwestern Ellis, and for western Dallas County until 6:30. Severe thunderstorms are located along the clustered line of storms extending from near Willow Park in Parker County down to near Godley in Johnson County, moving northeast at 45 miles per hour. These storms may contain 65-mile-per-hour wind gusts and quarter-sized hail. Hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, sidings, and trees as well. A tornado watch remains in effect for this area until 11 o'clock for all of north central Texas down as far south as Austin. Once again, severe thunderstorm warning now being issued for northern Johnson, southeastern Parker, Tarrant County, northwestern Ellis County, and western Dallas County until 6:30. A line of thunderstorms moving in from the southwest with potential 65-mile-per-hour winds and large hail. All North Texas stations affected by this alert are requested to relay the preceding message.